3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to ping enemies' locations and objects in Marvel Rivals, a great feature for coordinating with your team. To ping an enemy, simply highlight them by aiming your crosshair over them and press down on the D-pad. This action places a graphic icon above their head, signaling to your teammates that this is your target. For more options, hold down the D-pad button. You'll see a radio menu with commands such as need healing, need help, retreat, defend here, group up, or attack here. Select the desired option to indicate specific instructions or actions to your team by marking the map. Since many players on PlayStation or Xbox might not have their microphones on, pinging is a crucial way to communicate. If you do want to enable voice chat, head to Settings, go to Audio, and ensure the voice chat option is turned on with the check mark. Use these tools to keep your team informed and improve your coordination. If this video helped you out, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.